Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I do the 90 FPS gameplay test in the MI11X device after the recent software update. So right now I'm trying to use the config file while playing this kind of 90 FPS, as you can see friends, exactly. So here's the MI11X device and let's see how will be the gameplay by using the 90 FPS in this MI11X smartphone. That is what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. I'll try to do the couple of drop test videos as well right now. Let's see how much the FPS will going to decrease after the recent update. And this MI11X update is going to be really great in terms of the RAM management and the performance. Yes, so it will you'll definitely feel a lot of smooth after this kind of latest Miui 12.5 update, enhancement update. So that is what I did get the feedback from some of the users saying that the performance got better in this phone. That will not happen usually because most of the MIUI updates, they'll definitely decrease the performance and they'll affect the battery life and the RAM management. But this update is something special, which is enhancement update. For the first time, we are seeing this kind of enhancement in terms of the performance and in terms of the RAM management. That is the reason why I'm really excited. Let's see how will be the FPS drop in this kind of gameplay. That is what I'm going to exactly demonstrate right now. And in case if you want me to do any other videos, let me know in the comment section below. And this is my first drop test which I'm trying to do, friends. Let's see how much the FPS will be dropped. Here we go with this kind of real-time FPS meter, floating FPS meter, which we can definitely have in this MI11X device. That's the one thing. So let me know in the comment section below, friends, what are other videos you want me to do after this MIUI 12.5 enhancement update. So definitely I'll be able to do those kind of videos as soon as possible. But with this update, definitely, friends, we're gonna see slightly kind of change in terms of the performance. So finally it's happening. So in terms of the RAM management and the performance, I'll try to do the separate video as well with other phones. So like iQOO 7 device mainly. I'll try to concentrate comparing both phones. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos. Right now the FPS dropped to 60 FPS, as you can see, 60. So this is a test which I'm trying to do using the config file. So officially we did not get the update yet in this MI11X device. We did not get. So make sure to stay tuned for those official updates till now. I'm not sure when we'll be getting this kind of official update as well. So we need to wait for a very long time to get the official update. So after dropping as well, it was able to maintain 90 FPS consistency, no issues till now. As you can see, friends, exactly it was able to maintain 90 FPS. So 87 FPS we are getting, as you can see exactly. Let me do the another drop test as well. Let's see what happens second time. So right now, as you can see, friends, this is the second drop test which I'm trying to do. Let's see this time how much the FPS will be dropped, because previously it was dropped up to 60 FPS. 60 is the lowest we did see. So right now, let's see what is going to happen this time. So how much the FPS will be dropping, and then I'll try to do the couple of minutes of gameplay as well. I just want to show you, friends, how much the FPS will be dropping if you try to use the config file 90 FPS, and we are seeing that FPS drop up to 78 FPS, not bad. 74 is the lowest, 74. And one more thing, this config file may not be that kind of consistent. That's another thing, because until we get the official update, it's a kind of temporary fix only at this moment which is available. We need to wait for the official update very soon, so make sure to stay tuned for those official updates as soon as possible. We need to go back. So let's do some kind of team deathmatch. Let's see what happens in the team deathmatch, how well the gameplay will be handled. I think it should not be any kind of issues handling the team deathmatch at this moment. 89 FPS and 90 FPS we are trying to see at this point. The 89 FPS, as you can see, it's exactly the 89 FPS we are seeing. $88, not bad. It was able to maintain really stable FPS, not an issue in terms of the team deathmatch. It should not be any kind of issues in the MI11X device. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. This is a quick drop test and this is a quick team that match which I thought of just showing you. And in case if you want me to do intense kind of testing, definitely I'll try to do the very soon. And this is a small review which I thought of updating for you all while using the config file. How will the gameplay will be there in the MI Linux device. The FPS, floating FPS could have been slightly smaller instead of big one. It's a one thing. But thank you for watching this video, friends, and I'll see you in the next video. I'll illustrate for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.